We're walking here on Via Gioberti. We passed by KFC, we passed by McDonald's. There's several McDonald's in the area. Behind us is actually Termini. But right now we're gonna go to Saint Mary Major. There's another restaurant right here. Gelato. And that's where we came from, right there. Right there's the Termini at the end. The Termini train station. These places, the restaurants and the shops are open early. It's only 7:30 a.m. But I'm really surprised that the shops are already open. We started walking at 7 a.m. and everything's already open. And Termini was already crowded with people trying to catch the train. More hotels here in this area. Our hotel is actually close to this area. We're close to Hotel California. Can you believe it? There's a Hotel California here in Italy, in Rome. So I think we have probably three more streets left, and then we're gonna be in Saint Mary Major, and that's where we're gonna be doing our holy door. For 8:30 a.m. today. And then later we're gonna go to the Vatican and do the Vatican Museum and the Sistine Chapel. And then later in the afternoon we're gonna do Colosseum. Everybody's souvenir place is already open. It's only 7:30 a.m. The place is already busy. It's like the city that never sleeps, like New York, New York. Oh, can we cross the street? Right there is where we can cross the street. We can cross this. Oh, okay. There's a crosswalk here too. The rail tracks on the road. I wonder what the monument is right here. Right there. There's a monument.
I think that's what we seen that yesterday when we came in.
Yeah. Oh, there's a Chinese restaurant. Yeah. I'd like to eat some rice. We haven't really had a lot of rice yet, but we did actually in Paris, a Vietnamese restaurant. And I don't know what that monument is. That monument is. The church, Saint Mary Major. I think that's the church. I think that's the church. We're in Rione Monte.
There's no entry there.
Oh yeah, it's probably over there. I want to find out what that monument is. We'll be back to that later. A more gelato place over here. Can you believe it? The gelato place is already open for breakfast. You want to have gelato for breakfast, Rob? I think that's the church we're looking for. Casa del Rosario. It's a beautiful basilica. There are 4 basilicas here in Rome, and the 4 basilicas are open for the Holy Door this Jubilee 2025, and one of them is Saint Mary Major. We have 8:30 and we got here really early, so let's see what happens. There's already a lot of people waiting. A pho restaurant. We're gonna have more pho, I guess, later. Yeah, that's it. That is the church. I don't know if they're already open, and maybe there are some schedules earlier than 8:30 to go to the basilica, but we'll find out. Alright, we're gonna cross the street. They don't have any traffic lights here on the crosswalk. A lot of times we're just following how people do it. But if it's open, then we just cross the street.
No.
So we'll see if the church is already open now, and maybe do some prayer first before we do the holy door. Oh, hurry up! Hurry, hurry! Alright, look how beautiful that church is. Oh, there's Doubletree by Hilton right there. Doubletree by Hilton right here on the corner of where Saint Mary Major is. Yeah, that we have to find out. There's no name here, but I know it because I've seen the pictures and I've seen people's vlogs, and the church looks like this, so I know that we're on the right place. Oh, there it is. It says Marie something. Everybody wakes up early here. Roma Jubilee 2025 is what it says over there in the corner. So we don't know where the entrance is. The gates are closed. It might be too early for us. I don't know where to enter. Let's look on the other side. And that's another hotel here in front of Saint Mary Major. Oh, it looks like there's an entrance here, Rob. Looks like in the back there's maybe an entrance or where people should fall in line.
There's a lot of people across the street gathering.
Across the street where?
I see a bunch of people over there.
Yeah. Maybe they're also waiting for their turn. It's still early. We have an hour, but we'll see if the church is open. Or maybe they'll take us early. Maybe they'll take us earlier than our schedule. We'll find out.
Ayan, no?
Basilica,
Pilgrim.
Pollo,
Basilica Papaldian. Dito
Holy
tayo.
Door is here. So the Holy Door entrance, I guess, is here. Oh wow, look at that line. What is that for?
Ito ba yung
I don't know what that line is for.
Sistine Chapel? Hindi yan
No,
ang
it's
Sistine.
not. We're still far from the Vatican. But it looks like it's another church. Let's see. It looks like they have security here, but we'll find out. I'm gonna have to turn this off for now. But this is the church.